In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your messages in Slack. Formatting your messages is a simple way to make your communication clearer, more organized, and easier for your team to scan. Instead of sending one big block of text, you can highlight key points, separate ideas, and make important information stand out, all with just a few quick clicks. Let's start with the basics. First, type your message into the message box at the bottom of your Slack window, just like you normally would. Don't worry about formatting as you go. It can actually be easier to write your full thought first, then go back and format the parts you want to emphasize. This way, you're focused on what you want to say before you focus on how it looks. Once your message is written, go ahead and highlight the specific text you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words, or by holding down Shift and using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Try to be intentional here. Only highlight the sections that really need emphasis or structure, like headings, key terms, or steps in a process. As soon as you highlight some text, you'll see formatting options appear, usually just above the message box. You can also click the small AA icon near the bottom of the message field to open the full formatting toolbar if it isn't already visible. This toolbar is your main control panel for changing how your text looks. From here, you can choose exactly how you want that text to stand out. Select bold to make important words or phrases pop, like deadlines or decisions that need attention. Use italics for lighter emphasis, such as clarifying notes, examples, or side comments. If you're sharing a snippet of code or a command that someone needs to copy exactly, choose the code option so it appears in a monospace style that's easy to distinguish from regular text. You can also organize information using lists. Pick a bulleted list when you're listing ideas, tasks, or items that don't need to be in a specific order. Choose a numbered list when the order matters, like step-by-step instructions or priority rankings. Finally, use block quote when you want to visually separate a quote, a reference, or an important note from the rest of your message, making it clear that it's a distinct piece of information. Once you're happy with the formatting, simply send your message. With just a few of these tools, your Slack messages will be cleaner, clearer, and much easier for your team to understand at a glance.